We all hate rules, right? Go to sleep at 4 a.m., do not talk to strangers, and do not kill someone. That's the rule, right?
There's one rule in particular, the 2-day rule, which I can credit to be the most influential rule in my life, which has completely changed the perspective of how I view things. It helped me lose about 50 kilos of fat and get my physique to what it is today. The decision according to which researchers has shown that my life has now been increased by 3.4 years, provided I do not get hit by a bus or someone kills.
So, what makes rules so effective? You see, हमारा दिमाग it's very good at thinking, but execute करने में it's the word. That's why ये चीज आप लोगों के साथ भी कभी हुई रहेगी. You are sleeping at night and you get a great idea for a project that is going to give you like a huge boost in your GPA or anything, but then you wake up in the morning and it's gone. It's just not there anymore. You did not write it anywhere and you have now forgotten it. It was a world changing idea and you forgot. Our brains, they have amazing horsepower to think any idea within split seconds. But if you don't train your mind strong enough, you will actually forget it if you do not practice writing things down. We are biologically programmed to get distracted. How many of us are actually addicted to social media? Like Instagram, Snapchat, just waiting for the likes to kick in. I'm pretty sure ऐसा आप लोगों के साथ भी बहुत बार हुआ रहेगा. You're mindlessly scrolling through Instagram for about, you think 15 minutes, but you wake up and it has been like 45 minutes and you have just wasted your productive time in that particular stage of your life. To be honest, we will always do anything but the right thing. If we do not set rules for ourselves, we are constantly letting our mood and our desires to take us out of the path we set for ourselves. If we focus on what we value the most and we create a set of rules around it, greatness is bound to happen. Setting those rules ourselves, it can be like the best way to regain control of both our private as well as our professional lives in a way that we could never imagine. No one who has ever achieved success, whether it be an author, an athlete, or a creator, has done it without setting a set of rules for themselves to follow over a period of time. Make it as a pro, to even write a book or to even build a habit to come out of the slump of addiction requires overcoming what an author Stephen calls resistance. In his book, The War of Art, Stephen writes, resistance is the most toxic force on the planet. It is the root of more unhappiness than poverty, disease, and even pandemics. It makes us less than we are and what we were born to be. Resistance comes up in many forms, from procrastination to doubt to the small little voice in your head telling that it's going to be embarrassing if you do it. Trust me, with them. The antidote to all of this is consistency. Showing up day after day and putting in the work. And make no mistake, it is a war. So early on in my life, में around 10th के आसपास, no matter how much I worked out, मेरा weight कम नहीं हो रहा था. I was still 120 kilos, no matter how many crunches or anything, any workout I followed, nothing was happening. Kept trying to eat as much healthy food as possible to build up a consistent routine, but nothing worked. It only seemed like something was getting in the way. But after a while, I realized that the only thing that was holding me back was me. And after a while, when I figured that out, I realized that I had to cut the bullshit and actually start working. If I couldn't commit to at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, I realized I was a problem. Because after all, it's my future, it's my health, and look where we are now. But after failing miserably for about 6 to 8 months, trying to lose weight and trying to do everything I can without doing the work, I decided to implement the 2 days. It's very simple. I wouldn't allow myself to take more than 2 days off without going for a workout or some kind of activity such as walking, running, or even an ab workout at home. This allowed me to take time and days off as I needed it and to manage other things in my life going on at that time. It also kept me committed to my goal and most importantly, fall into the slump of mindlessly procrastinating throughout Instagram. It's so easy to give ourselves a break, which we obviously need, saying just this one time. But then it turns into the next 2 days, the next 5 days, the week, and in some cases, even a month. I took the 2-day rule to my heart and said to myself that I'm going to stick to this as much as possible. And that has carried in other aspects of my life as well. No matter how sick I am, no matter how hungover I am, I always promise myself to get my ass out of bed and get to work and show up day after day to the work. And nowadays I have broken through a wall and now I find it more difficult to skip a workout instead of actually going and doing the work. But for me, it has helped me stay committed to a lot of things besides working out. Whether it is learning a new skill on Skillshare or even practicing editing or even my YouTube channel. When I do follow this rule and keep it going through my everyday life, I do find it to be more helpful than anything else I've ever tried before. I'm more healthier, I'm more alert, and I'm just more active throughout the day instead of just laying in bed. It has created a ripple effect to other habits in my life. So if I can actually get my ass out of bed and go to the gym, I'm more likely to eat better, sleep better, and do other things such as edit. And I just know that this one habit alone has indeed changed my life. So, to those of us who are willing to work our asses off, get out of comfort zone and create rules to set boundaries and break them for ourselves, to us I say,